Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy A32 and the Oppo F17 Pro. Now in this video we are gonna see the gaming performance of the A32 against the Oppo F17 Pro, as on the A32 we get MediaTek Helio G80 chip and 6 gigs of RAM, while on the Oppo F17 Pro we get MediaTek Helio P95 chip and 8 gigs of RAM. Also the Oppo F17 Pro is expensive than the A32, so let's find out which is best and which one you should buy for heavier games in 2021 between the F17 Pro and the A32. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And as always, starting from the Bootup Test, so here we go. Now this is going to be interesting speed test because the A32 is a latest one and also it is cheaper than the F17 Pro. So let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. And you can see the logos are moving around. Well, you can see the first boot up test won by the Oppo F17 Pro, and the A32 is still stuck at the loading. Well, I think it's going to be a huge difference, but can't say anything yet. And well, the A32 has started up, and I think it was about 6 to 7 second difference in the first boot up test, which is a huge difference and kind of disappointing from the A32. Okay, so now we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test, but before going into that, let me show you both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see it was exactly at the same time, and this one goes to the A32 camera. Well, again slightly quicker here on the Oppo F17 Pro. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the A32 and the Oppo F17 Pro. Okay guys, so it was a quick speed test between the A32 and the Oppo F17 Pro, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones, actually the Oppo F17 Pro is much better when it comes to gaming performance compared to A32. Now the choice is yours, but if you are looking to buy any of them, I will definitely prefer the Oppo F17 Pro over the A32 for heavier games such as PUBG, Fortnite and Call of Duty mobile game in 2021. But also you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section because that is also very important for me. Okay, so it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.